Can you speak English?
Yes, I'm fluent in English.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Can you fix this?
Sure, I'll try.
Can I borrow your pen?
Of course, here you go.
Can we go for a walk?
Yes, let's go.
Can she speak French?
Yes, fluently.
Can they come to the party?
I think so. I'll ask.
Can it be delivered today?
Yes, if we hurry.
Can I have some more ice cream?
Sure. Help yourself.
Can you swim?
Yes, I'm a strong swimmer.
Can he play the guitar?
Yes, he's quite talented.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Yes, that works for me.
Can you help me with my homework?
Of course, I'd be happy to.
Can I have a piece of cake?
Sure. Here you go.
Can we watch a movie tonight?
Yes, that sounds like a great idea.
Can she drive a car?
Yes, she got her license last year.
Can they come over for dinner?
I think so. I'll check with them.
Can it be fixed?
I'm not sure. I'll take a look.
Can I take a day off next week?
Yes. Just make sure to inform your supervisor.
Can he cook?
Yes. He's a great chef.
Can we visit the museum today?
Sure. Let's make it a plan.